I'm confused. A woman's fragrance on a man? I've seen big burly blokes rocking this fragrance. There's a lot of hype about Emporio Armani's Power of You. And today I'm going to tell you, can a woman's fragrance actually work on a man? Or should I be gifting this to Mrs. Seasons? Or should you be gifting this? Let's find out here at Mr. Seasons Scent Bar. Let's quickly get this unboxed and see what the fuss is all about. Oh, thank you Nostradamus for joining me here at Mr. Seasons Scent Bar, the home of over 200 fragrances, where we grow and evolve our fragrance knowledge. And in today's video, I'm gonna not waffle too much, we're gonna get straight into it. I'm gonna unbox the latest release, Power of You by Emporio Armani. This is just a little 30ml bottle. Why 30 mils? Pop that in the comments, got no idea. But hey, that's what it is, that's what we're dealing with. Apparently, the hype online is that big burly blokes, bigger than Mr. Seasons, are rocking this. Apparently, fragrances aren't unisex anymore. They're either male, female, and females wear males, males wear females, and it's just confusing. Pop that in the comments. Are all fragrances supposed to be unisex these days? Why have they branded this as a female fragrance? Have they done it on purpose to spike curiosity? Well, we're going to find out. Let's get this unboxed. Just before I open it, as always, please do drop a comment, a like, consider subscribing to the channel. It really helps the algorithm, and I appreciate you guys joining. But yeah, let's rock on. Now, you know Mr. Seasons likes the Stronger With You line. I've got quite a few of them down there. And check out the video of Powerfully, which I did just, I think it was a week or two ago. That's worth a watch. A lovely fragrance, a little twist on the usual Stronger With You line with a little cherry accord. What will this be like? I haven't checked any of the notes of this fragrance, so this is completely blind. If I don't like it, will Mrs. Seasons like it? And will she want to keep it? Will she want to wear it? Or will I want to keep it and add it to my collection? This is interesting. I was quite surprised that they actually branded this purely as a female-only fragrance, but hey, it's the 21st century. People do as they wish. Okay, if I can get into it. Cut my blooming nails recently. So look at the bottle. I'm not gonna lie, that is a very feminine looking bottle. Am I even allowed to say that in the 21st century? You've got to be careful how you brand people and things that are linked to people. But yes, that looks like a pretty feminine bottle. Very dainty. It's got the signature top, the signature cap, but it does have an air of femininity by the color of the juice and the shape of the bottle. I'm going to try changing the angle of the camera because I'm so high up here. Oh, that's a bit better. Right, so there we go. There's the little 30ml bottle. What do you think of that? Is that a female-only fragrance? We'll find out now. I'm going to spray it on a test strip first. I think that's the safest thing to do. You know I like my test strips, and I always implore you guys to get them. If I can find the darn thing. There we go. Never thought I'd be doing this. And do pop this in the comments, because Mrs. Seasons has a huge female collection, and you guys might want to know a bit about that. You might want to know for your partners. Who knows? Let's get this on. Yes. Right. Enough carrying on. Straight in the goddamn atomizer. You'd think they could do that when they put it in the box. Okay, atomizer. Oh. Oh, wow. Oh, blimey. Oh, blimey. Fruity is what I'm getting. Super fruity. Is it passion fruit? No idea. I'm going to pop the notes there. I am literally blind testing this. Very fruity and tropical fruits is what I get. It has a real gourmand edge to it. If I was to guess the notes, I'd say peach, passion fruits, maybe some apricot in there, a bit of vanilla, lots of abundance of fruits. I couldn't really get much floral from it, but there will be some kind of floral in it. Super sweet and, dare I say, super feminine. What did we expect? But in a really nice way. The question is, am I going to wear this as my scent of the day, or am I going to gift this to Mrs. Seasons? And what do you think I should do? Pop it in the comments. It's got like a, dare I say, sexual element? But the big abundance thing is it reminds me of Activia yogurts. Don't ask why. It's like got I'm sure I've eaten a yogurt that smells or tastes very much like this. It's got like that passion fruit, apricot, peachy sort of sweet vibe. I could eat it. What am I going to score it, and what am I going to do with it? Well, don't know anything about the performance. We're just literally blind buying this and deciding, can a woman's fragrance belong to a man? Well, in this instance, I'm going to say, no, I wouldn't wear that. That's far too feminine for me, with this big old gnarly grey bushy hedge growing on my face. But could you wear it? Possibly. If you're a man that's inclined to get in touch with your feminine side, not a problem. I don't think any fragrances these days should be considered male or female. Pop that in the comments. I'll keep on saying pop that in the comments. Pop everything in the comments. It's nice, it's fruity. What are the notes? I've obviously popped them up there, but I don't even know what they are. Did I get any of them right? I don't know, because I'm going to end this recording soon once I've scored it, and we're going to rock on, and I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do with this fragrance. Let's get Mrs. Seasons for a quick sniff. Right, I've grabbed the Queen. Let's spray a little bit more on. So my question, Mrs. Seasons, do you like this? Get your Nostradamus on that.
Oh, I like it. It's light but powerful. It's a bit fruity, isn't it?
Fruity, well done.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Yeah, I really like that. It's like a lemon, almost like a sweet lemonade.
Well,
I don't know how to describe.
There you go, it's yours. You can have it. I'm gifting it to Mrs. Seasons. Do you want it?
Yes, please.
You're getting it?
Thank you very much. And the top.
Oh yeah, you want the top on, don't you? Yeah, you can have it. I think it's fruity. I haven't looked at the notes, Mrs. Seasons, but it's fruity. It's got like passion fruits or something in it, peachy. It reminds me of Activia yogurt, mind, but hey, we'll rock with it. I think it's too feminine for me, isn't it? Yeah.
Yes.
So she agrees it's too feminine for me, but you're willing to wear. I think that will smell very sexual on you, Mrs. Seasons. I think you should wear that tonight.
Smell like a yogurt.
Smell like yogurt.
Yeah.
I like yogurt. Oh dear. Yeah, so there you hear it. Mrs. Seasons likes it. I think it's a really nice feminine fragrance. I love the fruity vibe going on. I'm going to score it a solid. For a female fragrance, 9 out of 10. For a male fragrance, a 5 out of 10. I think that's fair. What do you think? That's my review. That's me. Over and out. Please do join me for more content, and please consider subscribing. Mr. Seasons is going for a lie down. Oh, what am I going to pick as my scent of the day today? It's a dilemma. Go and check out my shorts. That's a bit of a, not my physical shorts, my shorts on, you know what I mean. But yeah, I always have a dilemma picking the scent of the day. But hey, pop it in the comments what you want me to review next. What do you want me to discuss? I'm all ears, baby. Goodbye.